guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trendolor. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my MOLATO or MOLATO soap. This soap is very nourishing and it is pro mixing, guys. It's not black soap. Not everybody like black soap. Some people just want to get a really great clear skin without using black soap. So in here is my MOLATO soap. I'm going to show you guys how I made it. So if you're interested, let's get into this video. So this soap is going to lighten or whiten your skin. It's made with great soaps that are whitening and lightening, and with great soaps that contain fruits and all the goodness of skin you need. This soap alone can lighten you, and I've always said in my previous videos that you don't just use soap and just wash off and expect it to work. You have to leave it on your skin for 2, 3, 5 minutes, whichever way you want to do it. So that's what this is for. Oh, my battery is down. Anyway guys, in the course of this video you will see that I said so many things or you hear so many noise in the background because kids are playing outside, and then the weather is also bad. I don't know why they're outside. And yes, that's another. This is 3 o'clock. I don't know why if I will still crawl. Anyway guys, this video, I hope you guys enjoy and like it. So it's safe, it's really nice, and then it's going to lighten your skin really well, and it's moisturizing as well. So let's get straight into this video. Today's shout out goes to Adis Akinsola. Thank you so much for your comment. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys, for everyone who watches my video. Thank you. I'm truly grateful. May God continue to bless you guys. So let's head right straight to this video. Soaps we are going to be using. Here I have my L'Oreal whitening soap, 7 days white, contains vitamin C, B3 and E and glutathione, and it's papaya. Okay, sorry about the noise guys, children are playing outside. It contains vitamin E, B3, papaya extract, vitamin C. So this one whitens the skin, they said, in 7 days. Also here I have my Kojic white gluta papaya abutin 7 days white skin series. How are you? So I'm by the window by the kitchen window. So this is Kojic, and it contains gluta, which is the reason why I'm using all this soap. You see, all this soap contains something, glutathione and papaya. So the next one I'm using is Babyface with turmeric. This Babyface is very mild on skin, so I'm going to use it, and it's very nice. It's K Brothers guys. So the next soap, which is this one, is glutathione whitening cleansing bar, anti-aging, spotless, bright, healthier and more radiant skin, glutathione and vitamin C. You see that they all have something in common, which is vitamin C, glutathione and papaya, and kojic and papaya. So my last soap I'm going to be using is nano extra white soap. So nano extra contains glutathione and papaya and carrots, which is something, you know, I said in my previous video that papaya is something that contains a very high level of vitamin C. So when you're trying to make this soap, make a soap or get something or a soap that has everything in common. Use something that have everything in common, so that you won't start mixing, and then it will not give you something that will react with your skin. These soaps, they have papaya, except for this one actually. They have everything that has glutathione, that contains arbuthin, that contains vitamin C and all that. I think I will leave here because the noise is getting too much. Anyways, guys, let me go. I'm going to grate this one and come back. Don't laugh at my grater. And again, I'm using this part because the whole place is dark. Like, I'm sitting on the floor right now. I just on the small light there. Everywhere is so dark right now. I don't know why these children are outside. That's why I went to the kitchen window to see if I was going to get light. This soap smells like pawpaw. There's something about pawpaw I don't like. I don't really like pawpaw. I don't eat pawpaw because it smells like baby poo-poo. Oh my god, I think I'm taking care of way too many children. I love taking care of children. But their poo-poo smells like pawpaw. You know, I stopped eating pawpaw because of that. This is very beautiful. Hope you guys have seen. No, don't the one that I should now stop recording. Guys, everywhere is dark. Let me give you guys an example of how dark this thing is. Let me off this light. Can you see? All you can see now is the flash of the phone. The weather is something else. Something else. So for this soap I spent 3,000 for just this soaps. 3,000 and or 3,000 something, sure. So you're going to grate all of them. I'm going to grate all of them, then I'm going to show you guys my next ingredient that I'm going to be using. This soap is going to smell really nice. Well, I just pray the papaya smell does not take over this whole thing, because I will have to go and look for my fragrance, my fragrance for soap, and then add, because I'm already getting irritated with this papaya smell. It's very funny because I always use papaya for my things like cream or soap or... Okay, so let me grate and then come back to you guys. Guys, grating of soap is not easy. I had to like change the grater. I just grated turmeric here. I've been grating one soap since that's one thing about black soap. Like, if you want the thing to really enter, you grate it, and then the work is really stressful. So grate this soap. See them here. Can you see? This is one soap, guys. Just one soap that is in this plate. One. I'm going to the next. Oh my goodness. Smells like baby soap. These are the soaps. Guys, I had to like transfer this soap to this big bowl. Like the grating was not easy. And please, when you're doing this work, also wear your glove. I'm always not wearing gloves, so but you guys should make sure you wear your glove, okay? So this is it. Guys, sorry for the noise, or I guess always noise when I'm making a video. So these are the powders I'm using. I have my kojic dip. Guys, these are the last. This is what I have. So you can use any lightening powder of your choice, arbutin powder, kojic acid, snow white powder. But this is what I just spent 3,000 for this. Over 3,000 for this. I'm not going to like go and start buying powders and all again. Only this alone is, it's combination of different ingredients which is going to help whiten your skin. So here I have my kojic dip. Here I have my mulberry powder, snow white powder, and this one is licorice powder. And here you have my milk. It's goat milk. You can use goat milk, but any milk you have is preferable. This is not goat milk. This is just normal cow milk. So I'm going to spray, add them in, and mix. You're going to use your hand to like squish it, or like mixing it very well. That's why you need glove. But me, I'm not one to like wear it. I'm never comfortable with glove. I don't know what kind of fowl crows at this time of the day. So you have to like get in there. I'm going to use my hand actually to mix everything together. So this is glycerin. My glycerin is almost finished. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 tablespoons of glycerin, and then honey. Honey, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is also 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to add my glutathione. Guys, at this point you can put any of your, I'm going to just add for exfoliation. At this point you can put your whitening oil. You can use like glutathione oil, any lightening or whitening oil you have, half-cast oil. This is my lemon essential. 2, 3, 4. And just put more. And then I have a mixture of oil I made. It's remaining very small. See it? So I'm just gonna add it up. So any whitening or lightening oil you want, or if you want to leave it like this, you can leave it like this. So I'm going to use my hands, guys. My hands are clean. I'm going to use my hands to just mash everything together. But when you're making this, please, guys, you guys should use glue. Don't be like me. The reason why I always say use glove is because of knuckles. And we all know that knuckles is very hard to treat. After treating, you have to maintain it not to come back. So if you have lemon at this point, you add lemon. But I have lime, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of lime to it. A That lavender essential oils changed the smell. Oh, that purple smell still smell. I don't know, me and papaya we don't ever agree. So let me add lime to it, but you can add lemon if you have. So if you want this to be very soft, you can add shampoo. I will not advise dope shampoo. There is this shampoo that they use for kids. It contains argan oil. I think it's nature or something. It contains argan oil and really nice oil. That shampoo is really good. I'm just gonna take out the seeds that fell in. So that one, if you add it, you have to like soak it. You leave it for some days. But this one, I'm not leaving anything for any days. I'm just going to use it like this. So they're playing ball again. So you have to continue to make sure like everything is well incorporated, like mix like eba. So for those that don't want to go through this stress, what you need to do is just add the shampoo, cover it for a day or two, and then use your stick blender and blend. It's going to be really smooth, but I'm not doing that here. I'm just using this like that. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to package this. I'm going to put it in this container. So I'll package it, and then this is it. You can press and then fill it up. And we still have more. So this is going to contain like I think 2 more of this, and I just put it in this Dr. James whitening milk. This is 250 grams. And guys, this is our soap. This is our MOLATO soap, and this soap is going to lighten or whitening your skin. You're going to like it. Like, this soap is superb. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.